Are you looking for that easy cake recipe and very healthy one? Oh my goodness, this video is for you. Let's make almond cake. This was so delicious, and trust me, you will love it. We do easy recipes here, so if today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. So in my bowl, I have my 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I've added 1/4 cup of sugar. You can actually use any butter of your choice, or you can use margarine. So we will whisk it very well for the sugar to melt, and then we can proceed with the process. Now we are done with it. We are just going to add our eggs, okay, and we are adding it one by one. Okay, we are not going to add all the eggs at once. When you add one, you whisk it, and then you add the next one. I hope you understand. Now after we are done with the first one, we are going to add the next egg, and then we will continue. So with this recipe, we are going to use 3 eggs. Okay, we are using 3 eggs. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always making it here to spend some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. Now I'm going to add my 3 cups of almond flour. With this recipe, you can decide to add some all-purpose flour, soft flour, or your cake flour to it, but we are making it in a healthy way. Okay, so we are using only almond flour, and trust me, this was so nice. My husband does not like cake, but he really enjoyed this one, and trust me, you will love it as well if you try it. Okay, now mix everything, let it become uniform or combine well, and then we can add the next ingredient. This is how it looks, so nice. I'm adding the last egg, okay, and that makes 3. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of soy milk, and then a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix it very well, and you are good to go. Should you want to use any milk, you can use any milk of your choice. Okay, yes, now we are done mixing everything. I have with me here my baking pan. I smear some butter in it, and then sprinkle some flour, all-purpose flour in it. Okay, I forgot to tell you that I added just a teaspoon of baking powder. Level it up, and then we can bake this fast. Okay, just look at that. If you want it to lose up, you can add more milk, but this is how I want it. I am going to just put this on it to get that beautiful design. You can as well omit this side. So that is my roasted salted almond nut. I will just put everything on it like that, and then we bake this. I just want you to study your oven or your air fryer to know the temperature you are supposed to use, but I use 350 Fahrenheit, and we bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes, and our cake is ready. This was so nice and very delicious. Just look at that, so good. I just love it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching. You can't afford to miss the next upload, so let me see you in the next one by subscribing or follow for more. Thank you for watching.